My name is Zoe Shoplock and I am in 12th grade, a senior now. And I'm from Tallahassee, Florida. I attended the Whitehead Spring Lecture Series in 2025 last year, and I really, really enjoyed it, and I really enjoyed what this program was doing for students. We don't really get to see what scientists actually do and how science can actually change the world.
Spring Lecture Series was established in 1990 to offer students in grades 9 through 12 the opportunity to explore cutting-edge science here at the Institute and to sort of expose them to what it would be like to witness firsthand the inner workings of a bustling research facility.
Lecture series like this let me see that there was big impacts when it comes to cancer or neurodegenerative diseases. So I ended up getting to attend it again.
I was thrilled to hear that she wanted to come back. It was impressive on her part, and perhaps a testament to the work we're doing here. We have about 50 students that come in for a 3-day series. They hear lectures pertaining to a particular topic. We do hands-on modules and laboratory sessions.
This past year, something that I've noticed is that I learned more was about the kind of community that scientists make together and the amount of collaboration, especially at an institute like Whitehead. I like seeing the little inside jokes on the halls and seeing scientists talk together. I just think that this program is really amazing in giving students access to resources that they might not have had at their schools. It just gave me something that I would never be able to get anywhere else.